Oh, why cannot see my video? Maybe the signal from my side is not strong enough, but it's okay. You can see uh, your video, and
If your side doesn't have, then we can't see the share screen from your side.
if I share the screen, it's okay. Can see. I think you also can see the.
Yeah, I can see your share screen. Yeah.
With the share screen is no problem. Okay, we can start now. And hello everyone, it's nice to see you today. Yeah, we have a new background from Nicholas.
Hello everyone, nice to see you all again. Today is Tuesday. Oh yeah, did we do the price or?
Let me share the price today. Yeah, a lot of people of our crypto may see this bloodbath for everyone. Um,
bad week for the people?
the bloodbath, yeah, people. A lot of people will fear about this, but there's also opportunity.
31,000. Wow, BTC 31,000 and ETH 2003. Wow. Yesterday, last night I saw it was like 33,000 and ETH was at 2004
Yeah,
plus.
within one night. Within
Yeah,
one
so
night,
it's
we
falling
see.
hard now. So those of you who are waiting, has been waiting and have been waiting for the price to come down. Now is the time for you to enter.
Yeah, that's right. And it's a good price because as we expected last week, yeah, the price may be low 30,000, then it can skyrocket after that because some of the analysis they say if the Bitcoin want to be 80,000 or 100,000, it must be go down below. Must be go down below 30,000. Now it's below 30,000, and I see a strong support at the level. Yesterday the support is around 33,000, and now we see it's meet the target, and we also receive a lot of good news from our president of El Salvador. He had just bought more more 500 BTC with around 15 million. Yeah, and then let's start with our live stream details. Some of the slide is about what's happening and why, and let's go discuss more about information. And today, let me see. Today is May 10th, 2022. Yeah. Uh, what's What's the information about El Salvador buys a Bitcoin bid splash over 50 million on the first BTC purchase? Yeah, it's a good time for him to buy.
It's a
Yeah,
good time, definitely a good time. Yeah, so at a time like this, when when he spends so much, nobody will complain.
yeah,
Everyone will be happy.
yeah. And some of my friends also say that he also wait for the ETS for around 2000 plus. Yeah, it's also a good time for him because now the price also meet the right time. Yeah, and El Salvador is total of the BTC in the country 2000 BTC. Yeah, it's a good because first time I saw he buy 100 BTC and keep buying when the price go down, and now he have 2000 BTC. It's make the country stronger, not relate in the IMF and um, any fiat currency out there, like this information I also received from Cointelegraph is about IMF recommend the Bahamas accelerate its education campaign on the CBDC. Yeah. This information we also received a few hours ago. It's about some of the country. Bahamas is one of the country belong to US, and now IMF recommend it use the CBDC. Yeah, this is also not the good, also not the bad news. Yeah, we also hope in the future more and more country will focus more on the
Probably
aspect. Yeah,
once Bahamas to be a testing ground for CBDC because it's small. Uh, I'm not sure any of you have heard of Bahamas, but if you watch James Bond movie, you
yeah,
probably come across this place. Yeah, I think it's a beautiful place if you're going to visit there. But the thing is that it's a territory with very low population. So and it is good to begin this CBDC in this place.
yeah.
So,
Today, so many country are thinking about the CBC and to explore about this. However, they also explore in blockchain technology, but they don't announce that they will apply for uh, their country currency. That's why. But in the future, within a few years, next few years, we will see the difference. Yeah. What is the other article from Mr. Nicholas slide today? Could you share more information to us about blockchain's sponsor to
yeah.
FIFA? Yeah.
All right. So I believe a lot of you out there, you have been watching soccer and you are watching soccer and you follow soccer. It's called football. Yeah. So this FIFA is the International Football Association. Um, they, every 4 years they have a World Cup, right? So
Yeah.
there's World Cup soccer, World Cup football going on every 4 years. So see, the thing about World Cup football is that half the world's population is watching. So if you look at 2018 World Cup statistics, about 3.2 billion people watched World Cup. Even if you do not watch World Cup, you would hear of World Cup because I don't watch World Cup. I hear of World Cup all the time. Yeah. So if one family or there's only 1 or 2 person in a family that watch World Cup, the whole family will be hearing this, oh, go World Cup, or
Yeah.
all this kind of hype and excitement going on in the family when they
Yeah.
watch. So World Cup is very well known. So this blockchain company called T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, yeah, so they became
Um,
the FIFA's official blockchain platform, and of course it will provide blockchain supported wallet solution. So and also they are assisting FIFA in developing its digital asset strategy. Yeah, so
oh,
these are the things that are going on in the sports world. So in the past we covered things like basketball, NBA, and all this. So even NFL, they do have all these blockchain related things. Now World Cup soccer, so it's going to be a big thing. So and this algorithm also became the regional sponsor for the 2022 Qatar World Cup. Uh, so regional sponsor meaning they represent North America and Europe kind of thing. Yeah. So they are going to sponsor, for this Qatar World Cup 2022. So it's like a big year for crypto this year. So I believe there's going to be a lot of new wave of entry of uh, crypto watcher, crypto investor, whichever. There will
yeah,
be
that's right.
a
Of
lot of
course.
them flooding in. Yeah.
Yeah, I also expect more and more blockchain companies sponsor in the other event, famous event like Argument. This blockchain company also famous with some of the crypto coin, but I can't remember. However, it's in the future. We will see more and more sponsor like this, especially in football. And thanks Mr. Nicholas share us a very good news about blockchain's company about this. And the next one we also see he also share one to say to us about California. Yeah, the governor um, want want to do something with the blockchain and Web3. Yeah,
Yeah,
uh,
technically, when you look at California, they are big in land size, as you can see from this picture.
from the website.
So that bear is actually part of the flag of California.
Yeah,
California Republic, there's this flag and then there's this very nice bear there. Yeah, so you
yeah,
see, California has very big land, very big land. I mean, if they were to go independent, like as their own country, they can probably survive very well.
yeah,
Yeah, but the thing is, California, they are getting themselves positioned for crypto, blockchain, and Web3. Yeah, so the governor, his name by the name Gavin Newsom, so he signed executive order on crypto, blockchain, and Web3. So of course, it's coming from is that California is a global hub of innovation, so they need to position themselves to be ahead than the rest of the state of the US. Yeah. So of course, at this point in time, they are probably, according to what he said, assessing how to deploy blockchain technology for state and public institution, and also to build research and workforce development pathway. Yeah. So to prepare everybody, prepare the people of California for success in this industry. um, I think not just California, but every government should do that. Yeah,
yeah. That's right. But it's also depend on the central government.
yeah,
Like in China, they also support the crypto. No, they support blockchain technology, but they don't like crypto. Yes, then in the other part of the wind like Hong Kong, Shenzhen, the mining activity is still there, but they do something flexible. They also have some a lot of activity related to the blockchain and crypto, but they don't say directly that's a cryptocurrency or crypto. They just say that's a technology company, blockchain company. That's all. And this information shared to us some of the state in the big country and some of the part of the world they also accept blockchain and crypto, but it's also they need time to wait for the central government to allow it to open the door, have an open mind for this one. And we also can see some of the big company, uh, also adopt to buy more and more crypto during the crash of the crypto. And we also can hear the voice of the micro strategy, Michael Seller. He also purchased to buy a Bitcoin when the price around 30,000 plus, and we see on the news a lot of news say that uh, MicroStrategy goes underwater in the latest Bitcoin crash. The latest corporation Bitcoin hold on the red and Bitcoin dip on Monday. Yeah, and as I share to all of us on Monday, usually the price go down and a lot of people go shopping like uh, macro strategy like El Salvador. And how about you? Did you go shopping on Monday? And today is Tuesday. Is still on the Monday's night in the other side of the world, and it's also have time for us to buy when the price go down, and we expect on the next day the price will bouncing back. Yeah, it's may bouncing back. to the resistance level, and I will have a look on some of the chart to see how about the price, and we also can see one of the biggest we can hear the Goldman Sachs, one of the largest financial institutes, and it's also have experiment with the Bitcoin related product and be the partner with the cost base. This is a good news, good information. A lot of people wonder why the price of the stock, the market, all the market go down. Um, Mr. Nicholas, you do you have any hints to share to me?
And
Yeah,
I'm not too sure of exactly what are the factors that is affecting the market right now, but it seems like the dragging factor of this war with between Russia and Ukraine has
yeah,
some contributing factor to it.
yeah,
So because of that, a lot of a number of countries in Europe are feeling a lot of a big squeeze on their economy. Where in terms of how low or how high they can buy their oil, uh, they can get their oil and gas from. Yeah, so these are the factors affecting by the sideline. So the main thing is, I believe, is the uh, how the economy is reacting to a lot of various sanctions in the last 1 month. Yeah,
yeah,
and of course, uh, investors' confidence in the stock exchange, the fiat stock exchange, is also another big factor. I'm not quite sure how you feel about all these things, Mr. Richard.
yeah. With my own opinion, I think in the near from last week, after the FOMC meeting from Fed, uh, they decided that they will increase the rate to control the inflation. Yeah, with the action, a lot. Of course, they say they only want to control the inflation, but they are not responsibility for the stock crash, for everything crash like stock market, like the other market out there. Yeah, that's their responsibility. And with the thing happen like this, it's also similar with 2008, 2009.
Yeah,
We'll hear like the Lehman Brothers after the Lehman Brothers crash. The Fed also said that they don't want to bring out more money. They want to control the rate, inflation rate, so that they just look like they let the big company go down to save the economy. Yeah, the thing like this, the thing happening like this, and with us. The only best way is try to survive, try to find some of the safe haven. People say that safe haven and uh, keep ties, buck the bell, something like that. Some
yeah.
some people say,
So I guess being wise in how you spend your money is also a good thing to help yourself. Yeah.
yeah,
So because this inflation thing is not probably not going to stop there. So according to some financial or market watcher, uh, and those experts out there, they are expecting that this thing to continue to go on up to June. You know, because like
yeah,
I don't know,
go
probably
up to June. What's the reason?
perhaps, yeah, perhaps because June, this Zelensky say he wants to restart the war and fight back the Russians. But let's look at how crypto can come into play in terms of wartime, rebuilding economy during wartime and things like that. Yeah, so you see, um, uh, are you there, Mr. Richard? Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
Help
now,
uh,
The
this
signal
Ukraine
is
army
like
and bolster relief effort, to help the country rebuild. Of course, they also collect donations in crypto that is worth over 100 million. That's a lot of money. Yeah, so they have a lot of refugees and all. So I think this money can be well used to help these refugees and those affected by the war. Yeah, of course, this statement is made by I think it's the governor. Yeah. So he said the key argument is that you really own only what you hold in the blockchain because it cannot be taken away from you. Let's say for those who are caught in the war, you know, affected by the war, they would definitely feel this. They'll definitely know this. Yeah. So when they have their mobile phone and their digital wallet and their own digital currency, everywhere they go, it is with them. It is not like your house being destroyed or any other assets that you own, physical assets that you own that could be destroyed by all this bombing and things like that. Yeah, so anything that you hold digitally will stay with you, definitely. So I think looking forward to anything that has to do with all these, not these are not what we are looking for, but all this war that could happen, so I think digital currency is the best way to help you rebuild. I think so. Yeah. So of course we wish anybody that is affected by this war would have a good recovery. Yeah. So yes.
yeah. Thank you, Mr. Nicholas. Shares information to us about how the world during the wartime economic and now I would like to share to you some of the charts aspect when how deep of the price will be, and when I see the candle for hour, yeah, it's look it's really look not good because we can see the bear, the red market, the red candle during 4 hour, and let's see the some of the indicator. If I apply the Fibonacci indicator here, I may see, yeah, it's far from the resistance level 37,000 uh, as the expectation, and now the price go down. We also can see the apply more the indicator to see the support level. Um, because this is a roll out time, we also can check with the support level. It's also hard to us to see some support level like this. That's why I can change to the 1 day. 1 day can see support level now. Um, yeah, 27,000. Yeah, the next support level 27,000, and you see the level expect to 35,000. It's be around there. This this price on Binance, yeah, is may zigzag around 30, uh, 29,000 to 30,000. Yeah, it's around like this. If you more, if you go deeper 1 week, we also can check with the 1 week candle. Is the 1 week candle, because when the price go down, it's a chance for the crypto bouncing back to attract more and more newcomer. That's why when the price around 30,000, we can see the last amount of sell here to best supply is dropped from 34,000 down to 30,000. Yeah, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next is go down, and the next candle may be the green. We hope we can see the green candle on Wednesday, tomorrow, 24 hour. Let's have a look. Let's see, uh, because it's still on a shopping day uh, for someone. Yeah, that's why. And let's see. this day I see on the chart, the news, there's some of the scandal. We also can see the scandal in the crypto. It's in some of the project have some issue, and a lot of people fear about the founder of the project will get out. It's make the markets go down. That's why the people discuss about this. A lot of people discuss about the scandal of this one, but we also can hope in near future when the price hit the support level, the price bouncing back, and we hope for the good. Of course, we also hope for the good opportunity, see the opportunity in something worse. Yeah, it's the thing similar 2017, 2018. Yeah, it's similarly if we going back to the few years ago when the price around 20,000 young. It's go down, keep go down. People worry about this. It keep go down to here. We also can see the price keep go down to 3,000. After go 3,000, it's bouncing back. Yeah, and now it's also the same pattern. We also keep go down to the dip. This dip is the same with July 2021. Yeah, its price around 28,000, 29,000, and now and after that it's bouncing back to 40,000, 55,000. Yeah, and let's see how. And it's depend on economy and on the Fed because a lot of people rely on the U.S. dollar, rely on the fiat dollar. That's why it's had the thing like that. And in the future when everything separately, people can know think about this, like El Salvador and the other country that accept um, uh, the other medium to make the payment. Yeah, that's why that's is that's the perfect future. That is perfect country, and we don't worry anything about the price will up or down, low or high. Yeah, we know that we have something to buy for food. Yeah, that's all, and we have something to purchase to make our life more leisure. Okay, all right, and I also think it's time for us to say goodbye for you in this morning to discuss about the cryptocurrency, everything, anything about blockchain technology. If you have any questions, please let us know, discuss with us, and share with us. Please comment and like if you feel our video have more knowledge, more information to you, and hope to see you in our next live stream. Mr. Nicholas.
All right, thank you all for joining us. Hope you guys had a great week. So everything that we covered today is by no means advice, but yeah, just information to help us understand how the market is doing. So hopefully, when you do your own research and you'll be able to find some good clues on which are the better coins out there for you to invest. So now the market is low, so please go and take the opportunity. The price of Bitcoin is 30,000. ETH is 2003. So go ahead and get yourself some good deals out there so that when the price go up again, you can make a big, huge margin from there. Yeah. Have a good week, everyone. See you all and trade safely, trade happily, and earn some money. Bye bye.
Okay, see you. Bye bye.